In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import themes to Google Slides. Whether you're looking to refresh your presentation with a new look or you want to ensure consistency across your slideshows, importing themes can be a game changer. So let's dive right in and get started. First, we need to open Google Chrome on your computer. Once you have your browser ready, the next step is to sign into your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to choose the right one that contains your Google Slides presentations. After selecting your account, enter your password and proceed by clicking Next. This will take you to the main Google homepage. From there, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a small grid of square dots. Go ahead and click on that icon. A drop-down menu will appear showcasing a variety of Google apps. Scroll down until you find the Google Slides icon and click on it to open the Slides platform. Once inside Google Slides, browse through your list of presentations and click on the one you want to work on. Now, with your presentation open, you'll want to look towards the toolbar at the top of your screen. Find and click on the Theme button. This action will open up the Theme sidebar on the right side of your screen. What you're going to do next is scroll down to the bottom of that Theme sidebar. There you'll see an option labeled Import Theme. Click on it and this will trigger a new window to appear on your screen. If you're looking to import a theme from another Google Slides file, you'll want to focus on finding the correct presentation stored in your Google Drive. From that window, select My Drive. You'll now need to navigate through your files and folders to locate the exact presentation that has the theme you want to use. Once you've found it, select that source presentation and click Insert. Your next step is quite crucial. Browse through the available theme thumbnails that appear, and when you find the one you want, go ahead and click on it. Finally, select Import Theme, and there you have it. Your chosen theme is now applied to your current presentation, giving it the aesthetic you've been aiming for. And there you go, your Google Slide presentation now sports a fresh new look with the imported theme. By importing themes, you not only save time, but also bring a cohesive style to your slides, making them both eye-catching and professional. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you enhance all your future presentations with ease.